Here I have LG G4c, and let me show you how to enable unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let me tap apps icon, then let's find and select the settings. Let's choose general tab. Let's scroll down, and here under privacy let's choose security. Scroll down, and under phone administration you should find the unknown sources. Let's allow the unknown sources, so let's allow installation of apps from sources other than Google Play Store. So let's read the following warning and tap allow. That's it. Now you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.